I think that's another child right there. I'm gonna collect the child.
Hey, child, come into my van. I've got some real goodies for you.
I got some laxatives. That's a good animation. Oh! How the hell did he get up here?
Yeah, come into the van.
Okay, let's jump. Wee! Oh. Let's jump this way.
Oh, invisible walls.
Wee!
Hey, did you see that? Hmm? Did you see somebody go past the window? What?
I did it!
No one cares! What? Oh, he's dead now.
Okay.
He's just dead. Oh my gosh, how many more waves of enemies do we have? Gosh,
I guess that's it.
No, there's still more!
Oh.
I want that guy's
Wait, are we
hammer.
supposed to defeat the
Oh!
these guys, or
Oh,
like
I
are
think
we
have
supposed to
come with me,
continue?
come with me. I have to keep in mind on how many bullets I'm using. Because I have a very limited amount. Oh, come on! You didn't even move like 5 steps! AKA, I can't help you guys because I'm not a playable character. Imagine seeing a tiny squirrel and a tiny turtle freaking launching themselves over over a hedge. Ha ha ha.
Over a hedge, yes. That's very, very funny and original.
They would. Oh, you have the hammer. No.
I'm just dead.
Yeah, you're dead. Oh, wait, you're back.
Bruh. Just like, what the hell's going on here?
Everything. You got a hammer and I got
It was time for Thomas to leave. He had seen everything.
You got a hammer and I got an old hockey stick.
Oh, this depth perception though. This is just so...
She lost her children again.
What a horrible mother.
Yeah, well, how do you keep losing your children like that?
Where am I? Okay, there we go.
Yeah, you're right there and you're dead again.
Yeah, and right away I die.
I'm gonna leave you.
Why the hell didn't they just do, like, split screen?
Yeah, why couldn't they just do split screen? They probably...
This is the same situation with, like, New Super Mario Brothers or, like, the Lego games.
Because this is just the Lego games.
It's a Lego game, but worse.
But it's based off of a movie I loved. And I still do. I still do love the movie till this day. It's just... What? The max bullet is... The max bullets are 20? That's stupid.
That's it.
That's some actual horse crap right there. I like the huge diversity of, like, weapons and stuff like that. And hats. I really like that. I really like the diversity of equipment.
How many more missions do we have in here?
I have no idea. I said like 30. And we probably
Wait,
did,
what's
like,
this over here?
We probably did like 2. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Oh, there's a beast.
It's a bush that sexually identifies as an attack helicopter.
It does. Look at it go. I'm gonna shoot it. Destroy it. It needs to die.
We need to destroy these,
The hell is that thing?
Yeah.
Oh, it's candy. Okay.
Okay, so that was about it.
I recognize all. I know all these characters, and you don't. You're just like, who are these people? But I know all of them. I just forget their names though. Sometimes I remember them. Like there's Heather, which is the one on the left, and Ozzy's the one on the right. Hammy's the squirrel. Vern is the turtle, and RJ is the raccoon.
Yes, and for his final smash, Vern uses a gun.
Yeah, I can't remember who the skunk girl's name is though. What the hell?
Oh, that crust though.
That's new. That's a new UI. Okay. Who leaves rats in their freaking house? Do they have like a bunch of pet rats with weapons?
Somebody needs to get an exterminator.
That's one of the villains of the movie. And they're against exterminators, to be honest. Ah! 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 Ah!
Oh yes, I remember that from like the movie, just like a giant glowing circle.
Yeah, that was part of the movie. Who's the over the head?
Oh, it's the attack helicopter bush again.
2 of them. You do it. You attack them. I throw that thing. Here we go. Now the mission's over. You still got the hammer. I'm mad. Look how mad my character is. He's mad.
Mad! Absolutely mad!
Away we go.
Bumper Carts Arena 1.
What? We should check out those. Oh, a car! We should move out of the way, but I don't want to. So he wants Vern dead. Okay.
Well,
How do you feel about that? My character is already dead.
they have it! Squirrel!
Oh no! Oh, that's the game we were just playing.
Oh, garbage.
That was a good game.
Right there.
Maybe it was made by the same people. Ah. Maybe it was made by the same people. That would make sense. Okay, guys, I'm taking commissions. What do you want me to draw, RJ? I like how Y is the back button. Like, in normal games, like circle or B is the back button. In this, it's Y that's the back button.
Yeah, that's kind of weird. But I guess it makes sense. I
got
don't
a
know.
shovel! I'm gonna smack you all in the face. I'm gonna smack your dicks.
Ooh, it is lagging. It was lagging so much for a second there.
Come on. Okay. How do I get you back up? Oh, freaking die! Die! He won't die!
Now we must get Frog.
Let's go grab the frog. Wait. Okay. Go grab the frog.
Okay, where do I take this?
Ah!
You've been gnomed.
I have been no. Can I stand on the frog? I'm looking for a specific oh, I think I have in my music playlist. I have a music playlist for like music I use in my channel. Playlist.
Are you able to like search through like in alphabetical order?
Kirby. Oh, Sand Canyon. That's the one I'm thinking about.
There we go.
Now
Oh,
that's
it fits. It fits too. That's the best part.
Love it.
Oh, invisible walls.
I love the run cycle to the music.
This is just perfect. Oh no!
Let's go over here.
Oh jeez.
thought
Yeah,
it
now we got another. Now we got another attack helicopter.
I like how I can't even see it.
Yeah, you gotta love that when like you're trying to kill an enemy, but then like you can't even see. And you gotta love when like it lags. This is even worse than the Shadow the Hedgehog fight. Or in than the Silver the Hedgehog fight in Sonic 06.
This is worse. You're dead.
I literally just became roadkill.
We gotta do boss music. We gotta do boss music.
Why do I hear boss music?
Kirby boss theme. Let's do a boss theme. Oh, I know one. Dead.
Oh, it fits. That's the best part, is that it actually fits.
You're gonna have to go without me. I died.
I can't even see the thing.
I think we can see it by its shadow.
Where even is the... Oh. Worst boss battle of all time.
Yeah, you can barely even see the thing. There we go.
You know what actually... Yeah, you know what, this is actually even worse than the Silver fight in Sonic 06, actually.
How did that kill me? What?
Wait, what just happened?
I died. We both died, and I think we have to restart the. I think we have to restart from the beginning.
Oh god, no. This actually is Sonic 06.
Yeah.